In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a color palette for your Figma Design System UI. First, open your design in Figma and define your base colors. Think of three pillars: a primary color for key actions and highlights, a secondary color for supporting accents, and a neutral grayscale for backgrounds, borders, and text. Choose shades that reflect your brand's personality and feel balanced when used together. A helpful rule is to keep the primary vibrant enough to stand out, the secondary slightly softer, and the neutrals clean and versatile so they don't compete with your accents. Now let's speed things up with a plugin. Right-click anywhere on your canvas. Go to Plugins, choose Manage Plugins, then search for Foundation Color Generator. Open and run it. This tool can instantly generate a consistent 10-step scale from 50 to 900, based on any base color you provide, giving you a full range from very light tints to deep shades. Inside the plugin, locate the Profile drop-down and select Materials. This profile produces well-spaced steps that work nicely for UI design. Next, choose the base color you want to scale. In Figma, select the object or swatch holding that color. Open the Fill section in the right sidebar and copy the hex code. Switch back to the plugin, paste the hex value into the color field and give it a clear name under Name Something, like primary, secondary, or neutral, depending on what you are setting up. Strong naming makes your system easy to maintain later. You'll immediately see a 10-step scale from 50 through 900. The lower numbers are lighter tints ideal for backgrounds and subtle states, while the higher numbers are darker shades, great for text, strokes, and emphasis. Review the steps to make sure the range feels even and on brand. When you are happy, click Palette to add it to your detailed color palette. Repeat the same process for your secondary and neutral colors until you have a full set. If you want these colors saved as reusable Figma styles directly from the plugin, choose Create Styles. Then, in Figma's right sidebar, open Styles and look under Foundation to find your new color styles ready to apply across your design system. That's it.